Welcome back to Mystic Fact. In today's video, we'll be talking about Wadi Rum, Jordan, the real-life Mars. Somewhere on Earth, there's a place that looks so alien. NASA uses it to simulate Mars missions, a place where the sand burns red, the silence hums like the surface of another planet, and every sunset looks like it was painted by a dream. Welcome to Wadi Rum, Jordan, the real-life Mars. Wadi Rum, also known as the Valley of the Moon, lies in southern Jordan, a vast desert wilderness covering nearly 280 square miles of sandstone, granite, and red sand. Over millions of years, wind and water sculpted this landscape into colossal arches, sharp cliffs, and narrow gorges. It's a terrain so strange, so lifeless and red, that astronauts once said, "If you dropped us here blindfolded, we'd think we'd landed on Mars." The colors of Wadi Rum come from iron oxide, the same mineral that gives Mars its red hue. Each grain of sand holds traces of rusted iron, creating waves of orange, crimson, and gold. Beneath the surface lies ancient sandstone, once part of a prehistoric seabed. Over eons, tectonic shifts pushed these rocks skyward, sculpting one of Earth's oldest landscapes. It's not just beautiful. It's a geological time capsule stretching back millions of years. Long before film crews and scientists arrived, Wadi Rum was home to the Bedouin tribes, who have lived here for centuries, guided only by the stars. They call this land Rum, meaning elevated or high. To them, the desert isn't empty, it's alive, a place of spirit, patience, and survival. In the early 1900s, this desert became legendary thanks to T.E. Lawrence, the British officer known as Lawrence of Arabia, who described it as vast, echoing, and godlike. When Hollywood needs another planet, it comes here. Directors love its silence, its raw, untouched quality that no studio could ever recreate. Here, the desert doesn't just act as Mars, it feels like Mars, vast, merciless, and breathtakingly beautiful. Even NASA scientists have tested rovers and astronaut suits here, because if you want to prepare for Mars, you start in Wadi Rum. And yet, in this world of dust and stone, life still finds a way. Hardy shrubs grow in cracks where water collects. Small reptiles and desert foxes hunt by moonlight. It's a reminder that even in places that seem barren, life endures, quietly, persistently, beautifully. When night falls, Wadi Rum transforms again. The temperature drops, the wind stills, and the entire desert becomes a window into the universe. This region has one of the clearest night skies on Earth, making it a paradise for astronomers and dreamers alike. Under 1 billion stars, you realize you're standing not on Mars, but on a miracle called Earth. Wadi Rum is more than a desert. It's a story, written by wind, time, and silence. A reminder that our world is filled with alien beauty, if we only stop to see it.